Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily attach a file to a message in Microsoft Teams so you can collaborate efficiently and securely. Whether you're sharing documents, presentations, or any other files, this guide will make the process simple and stress-free. Let's dive in. First, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop or browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage multiple profiles. Being in the right account ensures your files go to the right people. Initiating file sharing next, head over to the chat section. You can either select an existing chat or start a new one by clicking the New Chat icon. Once inside the chat window, look for the paperclip icon next to the message box. This is your gateway to sharing files. Uploading files. Click the paperclip icon and you'll see a few options for sharing. To upload a file from your computer, select Upload from this device. Browse your folders, find the file you want, and click Open or Select to start the upload. Pro tip, double-check the file name before sending to avoid any mix-ups. Adding context and ensuring security. Once the file uploads, you can add a message to give context, instructions, or a brief description for the recipient. This helps your team understand what the file is about at a glance. Remember, sharing files through Microsoft Teams keeps everything within the Microsoft 365 encrypted environment so your documents are safe and secure. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to attach files to your messages in Microsoft Teams quickly and securely. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy collaborating, and I'll see you in the next video.